Hey guys, so I am in London now. I'm so excited. I just got in last night. I'm only here for 2 more days and then I'm going back to Berlin to catch my return flight. So this will be my last vlog in my Europe series. I have a friend here, so I ended up going out to dinner with her, and then I went to a drum and bass event that was like super fun. I met some cool people there, and now I'm going to meet my friend again. She made some plans. So we're gonna have brunch and then dinner and then do some touristy things along the way. So I haven't taken the tube yet, so I'm not sure about the timing and everything. So I probably should go now because I don't want to be late. Rushing up because I'm running about 10 minutes late. I was really confused with all the transportation. Which one is bus, which one is underground, above ground, and all that stuff. So rushing a little bit, but I'll be there soon. So I met up with my friend at the Farmacy, which is an all-vegan restaurant. The interior was so pretty. They have a bunch of plants in the restaurant and you can see all the spices that they use in their dishes. And everything looked so good. It was really hard to choose what I wanted. So we ended up getting a few dishes to share. So we got the Benedict with some waffles, some vegan mac and cheese, and jackfruit tacos. And then I got a little matcha too, because I haven't had my coffee today. The Benedict is pretty unique because it has like waffles, which I haven't seen before. So I'm excited to try it out. First bite. Wait, that's good. Yeah. That looks really good.
That's so good.
Yum.
We didn't have a grill, but I got them when we knew we have the gas stoves here. So I was like holding it over the gas stove grilling it.
And the tempeh pieces. I love tempeh so much. Went out to eat at the restaurant. It was so delicious, and I especially like the mac and cheese. It was really good. And now we're at Westminster station. So Big Ben is over there, and then I'm just gonna check out around this area. It looks really cool. Man, this place is so cool. I was saying earlier that it kind of looks like a video game because I've just never seen anything like it. Like, you know, when you see something that looks so interesting, it just looks unreal, right? Yeah, those crests are really cool. It's a unicorn. Oh my god, imagine if they attacked you. They do. Oh, yeah. Hello. So I just realized that the trees here literally look like Jurassic Park. They're freaking massive. I don't know. London has the Jurassic Park trees. Jurassic Park! Look at those. What are those?
What are those?
They are my Crocs.
Oh my gosh, I can't get enough of you guys. What's up? What's up, dude? Straight chillin'. Probably used to mad people being around here. It's so spiky. Look at all the spikes. It's really cool because there's this area where you can get some books. So you can do like little book thrifting around here by the water. So if you're into books, this is a really cool place to go to. Oh, nice. It's pretty funky.
This is it.
My name is Christina, Christina. My 3 words: dance, acting, and Korea.
Korea.
Yeah, South Korea.
Oh, Korea. Okay, so I thought you meant like Korea.
Oh, Korea. South
would you
Korea.
like South Korea?
Sure, or Seoul is okay.
In a couple of minutes, I'll have a story for you.
Okay.
If you want to be comfortable, sit down, look at the river. I will shout Christina.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
Otherwise, feel free to stick around and have a lot.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh. That's so cool.
What do you do for a living?
I live in Seoul, South Korea, and I work in entertainment.
Where is that?
South Korea.
Oh, you live in South Korea?
Yeah.
Would you start your own business? Have you thought about it before?
Yes.
Okay.
I think that's something I want to get into next.
We'll tag you. Cool. Thank you, Christina.
Thank you so
Thanks
much.
for giving us your time.
It's my dream, so cool. Thank you.
That was so good.
We were walking around for a little bit and then we came across this gelato store. They had a lot of really cool funky flavors in here. So I ended up getting their 2 vegan flavors and I think the pistachio one was my favorite. Vegetables smelt as good as bacon. So we're pretty hungry and we're on our way to dinner. So my friend booked a place called Malo. I'm really excited. I'm gonna eat some food. So that's where we're going next. So my friend reserved this restaurant in advance. So the thing about restaurants in London, unless you go to a fast food restaurant, you definitely want to reserve beforehand. The dishes here were fancy. They had a lot of really unique flavor combinations. We got a bunch of plates to share, like this sourdough with onion caramel butter, olives in cilantro oil, hummus with lime pickled chickpeas, zeta padron peppers with a tahini cherry molasses sauce, mushroom croquettes with yuzu mayonnaise, and a beetroot tempeh smash burger. Yeah, I've never seen like butter on the side like that. It's really good. I was honestly shook. Even the bread and butter had so much flavor. Everything here was a 10 out of 10. I think this was one of my favorite restaurants I've ever been to. No joke. So we just ate dinner for like 3 hours. We're in there because it took a little long, but it was worth it. It was really good. We tried like a lot of different dishes, and it was nice because it was over like a period of time, so we were able to digest our food and chill. So now we're on London Bridge, and we're gonna go check out other places too over there. Very old. We're on an Uber boat. It's pretty crazy. Public transportation. The Gordon Jamsey is looking pretty good, but I don't know. I'm looking at that ice baby. Oh my god, no, the notorious biggest here. Secured my donuts. Oh my god, it's like packed in here. So I forgot to take an outro, so I'll just end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!